The rise of GitOps, how it's revolutionizing DevOps in 2024 in tech's fast-changing world. GitOps and DevOps are merging. This is changing how we develop and deploy software. GitOps is a new, cutting-edge approach. It uses version control systems, like Git. It automates integration, simplifies deployments, and manages infrastructure. Understanding GitOps. A new paradigm in software management. GitOps redefines infrastructure management. It uses Git repos as the source for all config and deployment settings. This method tracks every change. It boosts collaboration. It ensures deployments are consistent and transparent. Git workflows help developers manage infrastructure changes and do code reviews. Transforming DevOps through GitOps. GitOps in the DevOps framework has begun a new era in software development. This synergy lets teams deploy faster, work better, and collaborate more. Treating infrastructure as code and automating deployment can help. It can cut manual errors, simplify rollbacks, and ensure uniformity across development stages. Empowering agile teams with GitOps. GitOps gives agile teams a fast workflow. It supports quick iteration, feedback, and collaboration. With Git as the central hub for code and configs, teams can manage version control and track changes. They can also roll back if needed. It guarantees timely delivery of superior software with consistent results. Driving efficiency and innovation in a competitive market. Businesses want to be more efficient and reduce time to market. GitOps drives innovation. It automates deployments, manages infrastructure, and boosts teamwork between dev and ops teams. By embracing GitOps, organizations can stay ahead. Conclusion. In conclusion, GitOps is set to transform DevOps as we enter 2024. It promises to make software development more agile, efficient, and reliable. It focuses on automation, infrastructure as code, and continuous delivery. GitOps, Kubernetes, and other new tools can help teams. They can build resilient, scalable, cloud-native apps. These apps will meet the demands of a fast-changing market.